Revision Class 9 Biology. So we'll start our revision from chapter 7. In the last session we have discussed respiration, kinds of respiration, the difference between the aerobic and the anaerobic. Today we will discuss the topic respiration contrasted with photosynthesis. So respiration versus photosynthesis. So in many respect respiration and photosynthesis in plants are distinctly opposite process. The requirement of one are the products of the other, and therefore they are complementary to each other. See the overall equation of respiration. So in respiration, the food or glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen. So glucose undergoes oxidation to release carbon dioxide, water and energy, but here the energy produced is in chemical form, that is in the form of ATP. Clear? So when glucose undergoes complete oxidation, it produces carbon dioxide, water and energy release. So the energy release is in the form of chemical energy, but along with the chemical energy some heat also produced. That heat keeps us our body warm. We have discussed that respiration and photosynthesis are complementary to each other. So if we move reverse to the respiration, then here carbon dioxide and water reacts each other in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Then glucose is synthesized along with the release of oxygen. Clear? So in the first process energy is produced, but in photosynthesis, that is just opposite to the respiration, energy is utilized. Photosynthesis is called constructive anabolic and respiration is called destructive or catabolic. In destructive or catabolic, energy release, and in constructive or anabolic, energy is utilized. In one, the reactants are said to be the product, in the other. Clear all of you? Now see the difference between the two. In photosynthesis occurs only in the presence of chlorophyll. Respiration occurs in all living cells. Respiration is a continuous process that begins from the birth and ends at the death. But photosynthesis only in green plant, only during the daytime in the presence of sunlight. Occurs in the presence of light, occurs all the time. Here in photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials. In respiration, oxygen and glucose are the raw material. In photosynthesis, oxygen is released as end product. Here in respiration, carbon dioxide is released. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy which is stored. But here chemical energy is partly converted to heat and partly into useful energy for various activities. Photosynthesis results in gain in weight, but respiration results in loss of weight. Here in photosynthesis, food is manufactured, that is constructive or anabolic, but respiration is destructive or catabolic because its food is broken down to release energy. So this is all about the respiration and photosynthesis. Now next topic, the respiration plant compares with respiration animal. The first step, that is glycolysis, is similar in animal and plant, that is anaerobic, in the absence of oxygen. But in certain cases, if oxygen is deficient either in plants or in animal, so the condition is deficient or no oxygen to plants or animals. Deficient or no oxygen to the plants or animal, then what will happen? So here glucose undergoes anaerobic respiration in plant to produce ethanol, carbon dioxide, and very less amount of energy, that is 2 ATP. Clear? So if plants have deficient or no oxygen, then plants carry out respiration in the absence of oxygen to produce ethyl alcohol or ethanol, carbon dioxide, and very less amount of energy, that is 2 ATP. But if animals do not have proper or no or deficient oxygen, then glucose undergoes breaking down to release lactic acid and very less amount of energy, that is 2 ATP. So the product of anaerobic respiration or deficient oxygen in animal is lactic acid, and in plant it is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Clear all of you? Here 2 ATP, again 2 ATP, and little heat is produced. Clear? So this is all about the respiration in plants and animals. So dear student, no experimental questions will be asked in this chapter. Clear? And for your examination, short and long questions from the exercise as well as from the books can be asked. So at first go through the exercise, because all the objective pattern will be completely asked from your exercise. Clear? Just do the revision properly. Be safe, be at home, and have a good day. Bye all of you.